Hello guys, welcome to another of a video of aviation YouTube. So we're we're playing this game. It's called the Nido game. I don't know the title. So let's just go in. Are you satisfied yet?
Indicator naman ah.
Oh,
Baka mag-uwi kahit na.
oh, 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 oh my goodness, guys! This actually. Thank you for watching this. Please, cause oh no, subscribe, guys. Oh no, damn. Okay, guys, let's restart. I'm a full pro, cause I know parkour is all about. Oh no, damn. Guys, I always folded that part. But are you still satisfied? Cause I want to go to the butter. Basically, oh my goodness. Yes, finally. How do we... How do we do this though? Damn. Please help me. Okay, we're doing the shortcut. Ah. First level of satisfaction. It's the ice cream. Oh, not that satisfied. Ball. Ice cream. Oops. Ball. Oh no! Here it comes! Slime factory! Ah! This game will go viral, bro. Softness. Oh my goodness, guys! I'm so satisfied. So please, oh no, I died. But it's okay, guys. We can just restart it. We're just gonna restart it, guys. Ball. What's this?
Tingnan mo. Ang mga kaedad ng tatay.
Oh!
Maganda ang katawan.
I'm satisfied. Oh, the butter is here. Oh my goodness. The one you were been waiting for. Everyone, we got the butter here. And I will squish on it. Oh! Oh, I'm on my headphones right now. Oh my goodness. Oh! Ah! I fell, but it's okay. Let's go to the wax. Oh, that's satisfying. Oh, salted. Oh! I like that cheese. Oh! Oh! Wow! Oh no, the cheese pull. Run. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Okay. Run, 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 run. The butter. The butter we will crack. Go. Oh. I like that. Oh. Oh my. Banana. It's the banana squishy. But it does do not
Alam mo, yung nagkaroon
do
ng-
anything. It just make. Oh, the butter. We own that now. We own that now. We own that now. Oh yeah.
Magpuntahan sila doon, yun ang mga
Go fast. Oh, oh. Oh. You know, guys, I'm great at coloring. So, what's this? Oh, I have to buy that. Because I have 0 Robux right now. Ah! Yes! It's the hand paw slime. It's not a slime. Oh, the duckling. Oh! What's this? Dumpling box. Ah! What's this? Oh my! That's fake. Oh! We had squish sounds. What if we put on? Oh, that's a different, guys. How about this? Oh my goodness! Jesus Christ! How about set 3? Oh my! Yes! I like set 3. Oh my goodness!
Kaya pa naman ako pupunta sa
Yes! Oh! I like that. We have part 2, everyone. Get ready for part 2. There's no... Oh no. Oh no. My hack has been revealed.
Puro may nag-intindi ng mga sinabi.
Part 2, everyone. Part 2 of Nido Tower. Yay! Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da-ba. Oh my goodness. Okay, no. Yo. Damn.
Wala kang pag-iisip.
At least we are here.
Ay, mapawis.
Satisfaction. Faster! Oh! I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for that. I'm sorry for that. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. Oh, whoa.
Ah, July ka kasal.
Oh, satisfying. Satisfying. Oh my goodness, guys. This is so... Oh my goodness! It's a candle. It's a candle. It's a candle wax. So... Oh! Jesus. Oh my goodness. Guys, if you're satisfied, comment. Comment if you got satisfied. Comment if you got satisfied, guys, cause I don't. Is there a part 3 here? We don't know. What's this? Bro, it's nothing. Oh my! Cruz, what are you doing here? What are you doing in the trees? Cruz! What are you doing? What the heck? Cruz is there. Cruz, oh my goodness. Damn. Let's go back and restart.
Pinapayagan eh.
Oh, there. Let's go. But which part? is it's this one.
Nasaan nakatago yung nakatago ang bag doon sa may...
This is the safe one. Oh no! Oh no! Okay, let's go here. Satisfactory! Oh my goodness! Ah! Gold dumplings, everyone. Are you still satisfied yet? No? Okay. Everyone, I will be doing a live stream about this. So please be good to me in my live stream. Okay. Oh! We fell. Time to go back. Time to go back to where we come. Skip stage, bro. Not yet done. Ah! That is one cracking. Mm! Ah! Oh! 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 Who's this? Bro, who's this? He's watching? The hell? Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh my goodness, it's Puppet. Oh. Did you get satisfied yet? Comment in the... Oh, it's the butter again. Ah. I like the butter so much. Comment which puppet do you want? I mean squishy toy. Do you like? I'm not sending, okay? Because I'm not saying that. So guys, which do you prefer? Butter or puppets? Okay guys. We will be doing the part 3 today. We're not going like those stupid little videos that go like, part 2 coming soon. Bro, it's not like that. If there is a part 3, I'll go. Okay, the pink butter. Oh my goodness. Ah. Oh my goodness. No, not covered. Oh my goodness. Let's go! Oh my. Cake! Hey, yo! Cake. 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 Oh. Let's go. Oh. Okay, we're spinning around. Wait. I'm back scratching. Sorry. Oh, this is safe. Safe. Oh, bro, he's not safe. Part 3 is here. Okay. Welcome back to part 3, everyone. Let's go. Is this part 3? Yeah, I think it's part 3. Yeah. I think this is part 3, guys. So let's go.